What's going on, ladies and gentlemen? Thank you so much for tuning in. It's me, Mikey Pipes. Sunday morning, 26th of October, 2024. And for the last 10 days and 10 nights, my family and I, well, that thing up there, we ate and lived in that little hut right there, that tent. And today it's coming down. But first, I got not one, I got not two, I got 3 service calls that we need to go on this morning. Sunday morning. Leading by examples, ladies and gentlemen. Leading by example. And remember, I will not die sober. And I'll explain what my family and I were doing, eating inside the Sukkah, a little bit later. But it's early. Yesterday finished the end of what we call a 3-day yontif, or a 3-day extended holiday in the Jewish faith. The holiday of the Festival of Tents, or the Harvest Festival. But first, I just want to give a moment of prayer to a family member, the father of the other Mike. The other Mike has been with me for just about over 10 years now. And his father is, let's just say that it's unfortunate that, you know what, every great thing must come to an end, and his father is kind of like on his last days here. He should have been gone about 10 years ago, but he's a trooper. So let's just take a quick moment of silence to express our thoughts and prayers to the Mike G family. And I hope that his father just stops the suffering. All right, guys. It's a little balmy here this morning in the great state of New York. I'm sure I'm getting cancer from that thing in my neighbor's backyard. Let's get going. All right, about 10 minutes to 7 here in the morning in the great state of New York. I have these 3 service calls today, but I'm also in for a little treat. And I hope I'm not speaking too soon, because in about 40 minutes from now, my ride-along is going to appear, and we're going to do these service calls together. Now, you may be wondering, Mikey Pipes, who is this ride-along, and why is he riding along with you? Great question! We have a YouTube subscriber from upstate New York. I know, guys, Yonkers is not part of upstate New York. Let me tell you something. It's north of the Bronx. It's upstate New York. Because you ain't from the metropolitan New York City, Long Island area. Anyway, about a little over a year ago, we installed a new Burnham Alpine 210 floor-mounted, tankless, condensing modulating boiler for him that replaced a neglected one, unfortunately. He was tired of just replacing stuff on it. He was like, listen, Mikey, just give me a brand new one. So anyway, he reached out to me over this past holiday. And he's like, Mikey, I'd like to come with you on Sunday. I'm like, all right, here we go. So he'll be here shortly. I'd like to thank everyone for their massive support for Diak Industries and my MP001 compact miniature narrow aisle forklift. It is technically the world's smallest forklift in the world, and it's available for sale. I have a number of these coming in that are being manufactured as we speak. It's a great compact narrow aisle forklift. It's electric. It goes up 8 feet 4 inches, this model at least. Carries up to 1,100 pounds, and it's a very, very cheap price. Check out Dioc Industries YouTube channel. Why are you so scared of the camera?
For me?
Yeah, you.
I'm on the contract with NGM.
My ride along today arrived. We have 4 jobs, not 3, as I previously said. I was going over the Dioc Industries MP001, and we were doing a comparison. We were doing a comparison of the Mariotti. Mariotti.
Mariotti.
Come on, you're Italian. How do you pronounce it?
Mariotti.
Mariotti. By the way, say hi to Al. Alphonse, probably, right?
Morning.
Alphonse?
Yes.
Oh, look at this. Here's my competitor at $47,000. Here's the MP001. Do the math, ladies and gentlemen. I can get a cage to protect the operator if you go up to the raised height of 9 feet and 6 inches. But we want to stick with compact, narrow aisle. Look at this, folks. The narrow aisle. Can I get a real size forklift in here? Absolutely. Will I be able to turn around? Absolutely not. Narrow aisle. This is what you call a narrow aisle. Imagine you needed to work here, right? Good stuff. Anyway, ladies and gentlemen, it is almost after 20 here. 20 past the hour. It's 7 a.m. on the 27th of October, 2024. I love my forklift. I cannot wait. I am going to have an incredible party when we sell the first forklift. I am going to have a party when I sell the first forklift. And I promise you, it's not like the pool party where I keep talking about it and it's not going to happen. The pool party will happen. Al, you know the pool party is going to happen, right?
Yeah, I'm waiting.
So this whole platform area here, look at you. This whole platform right here, this is for the Schmelting with Mikey Pipes YouTube channel, where we take scrap metal and we melt it down and make solid bars of brass. How good is your catch? Want to catch? No?
It's a workout.
Yeah, right? This one's a little bit heavier.
There you go.
That one came out nice. Yeah. Let me see them guns, baby. Let me see them guns. All right, ladies and gentlemen. So we are going to head out today. I'd like to thank you all so much for watching and supporting the multiple channels of the Mikey Pipes Empire. We have 12 channels. There's a list somewhere. Or if someone would like to create a list of all of the YouTube channels under the 310 Global Holdings INC Empire, go right ahead and shoot me an email at mike@mikeypipes.com once you figured them all out. There's a lot of YouTube channels. I am the monetization king. Let's go. Now, there's one thing that I promised to tell them that I didn't explain to them yet. So we just finished the holiday, the Jewish holiday of Sukkot. You've heard it before? Mm-hmm. Okay. Where if you drive through like Jewish neighborhoods, especially in the city, you'll see these crazy things, huts, tents looking thing. So it's it's a festival, another holiday where those who celebrate Judaism, it's the harvest party, basically. Kind of like, like they do in the Midwest, right? But a little different because this goes back biblical times. 57 years ago. It's a lot of fucking years ago. You know what I mean? A lot of years ago. So it's a holiday that commemorates the time the Israelites spent time wandering the desert after being released from slavery in Egypt. Remember those 40 years or 40 days before? No, it's 40 years, right? No, how many years was it they were wandering in the... I don't know. But during this time, the Jews, they lived in temporary shelters called a Sukkah, right? It's spelled two ways, S-U-K-K-O-T, S-U-C-C-O-T. But to remember this experience, in modern days, we build these huts called a sukkah in their backyards or on our balconies, in our driveways. I still have mine up. You're checking something out, but go right ahead. There's a menorah up there. You saw that menorah up there? Yeah, see? I made that with a 3/4 inch flange, some nipples, elbows, a 3/4 cross T, a 3/4 by 1/2 inch extension nipple. You see that? That top one right there. That's a, 1/2 inch extension nipple. Is it a 1/2 inch extension nipple? No, I'm wrong. Sorry. That is, that is a 3/4 extension nipple. And then I have T's and I have elbows. And I actually took wire, lamp wire, and I wired each LED bulb. And then, see, it goes to those power there. But when we mounted this thing, when we moved here, it broke. Anyway, it still works. So we build these temporary huts. We put them in our backyards. And these are typically made of wood, covered with a roof called a Sukkah, with branches, typically bamboo branches, and other natural materials. And the objective is that when you're eating, sleeping, fornicating with your spouse, it's actually a mitzvah. I don't know about, yeah, you're supposed to know your spouse, know your wife. And Adam knew his wife. Knew. So for the duration of the holiday, we eat meals there, and we socialize, which also includes drinking and eating. Obviously, meals, drinking, right? A lot of freaking drinking. You want to take a guess how many bottles of Don Julio 1942 I had on the first night? By myself. Thanks a lot, guys. Catch you in the next one. Be well. God bless. Stay safe. Smash that thumbs up button.